Boom, what's going on YouTube? I know it's been a minute since we did like a review, but I'm back in the game now. I'm actually spending more time on YouTube and Facebook, and not spending, not so much time on Instagram. It's like that was like my number one thing because I make the most money based off of Instagram. All dating back to my website, but hey, Instagram popping right now. But I'm spending a little bit more time focusing on other, other social media sites. I was on Facebook last week, kind of going in there kind of heavy. If you're not already following me on there, do so now. Link in description. That would be great. Also Twitter. I'm highly active on Twitter. Pretty much every day is just like it's almost like my diary. So if you're not following me on Twitter, definitely go on there. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see a lot of my screenshots that I post on Twitter on my Instagram. So if you kind of want to stay up to date and don't want to wait for the screenshot, fuck with me on there. Also, USFJ Rain, that's on everything. That's on PlayStation, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, every social media site, USFJ Rain, and it's gonna take you everywhere you need to go. Bet, cool. All right, so if you follow me on the gram or on Twitter, you would see that a while ago, not even a while ago, probably like 2 months ago, Microsoft had a contest. Surface had a contest because I got this Microsoft Surface, blah blah blah. Just link in the description. You'll see some more videos, but I had to review on it. But I ended up sending them the video. They checked it out on Twitter, and then they ended up having a contest, and then they said show off how you work with your Microsoft Surface. So I took my little picture with my camera, the Surface Go, and I think my iPhone or something was in the corner. And, just kind of all the equipment that I use when I'm editing during photo shoots. And I submitted that photo, and then I actually got a DM back saying, yo, congratulations, your photo actually won the headphones. I didn't win the laptop, but I won the headphones. I take the headphones. But what's crazy is when when I opened up the box yesterday, like when they said headphones, like I didn't know they was like headphones here. Like this box big as hell. Like it got some weight to it too. Like I really wasn't expecting it. So I was looking at the back. I was like, oh, okay, like this shit legit. And like when I say legit, like when I think headphones, like you just immediately think like Beats by Dre. They're like that's cream of the crop. And like I ain't never really had like no cream of the crop. Like I done had some nice headphones, but it was never like of this nature right here. So as always, Microsoft always has beautiful packaging. As you know, if you saw my Surface review, it's just clean. Like it looks like something you would purchase out of Best Buy. Like it look like some futuristic. I don't know. It just look cool. You want it. Like this is the type of stuff you should probably get your pops like for Father's Day. This review should be over. Oh, in there. God dang. Man, I might have wanted to say that. I fucked up the box. Damn. All right, cool. At least it's opening now. It's just real slow. Like I'm using every muscle, bro. Like I've been in the gym too. You know what? We gonna fast forward to a lot of this. You know what? We not actually. Microsoft, I need you to know. I'm doing a very honest review. Oh shit. Okay, I ain't even gonna lie. That's okay. I'm willing to excuse all that shit now because this is a very hefty case and it's nice. It got some weight to it. Yes, sir. Sturdy. That can go through some things. People still do QR codes. Did not know that. What's in here? And the instruction booklet. We know we don't never use them. Okay. Shit, I thought it was like iPhone. Like iPhone, you just keep opening this hella packages. Cool. We're gonna get rid of this for now. Amazing packaging though. Not gonna lie. This is clean. Yeah, that's sexy. Yep, and they're soft. Oh yeah, you're not gonna be able to hear nothing with these on. I can already tell you. Not even gonna lie to you. It's one of them tight headphones. I done got excited. Yeah, I'm about to really tune the world out with these. That's it. And it's it. Oh, and they're touch. Oh, they're touch. Yeah, they just flexed up on these. They flexed all the way up on these. Touch area to set up configure headphone, blah, blah, blah. Play net. Okay. One touch, two, activate Cortana. What? I can still talk to this chick, bro. Man, bro. I don't even know the value of these headphones. I don't really give a shit. I know I wouldn't have paid whatever amount for these because these hard though. These are the, yeah, that's some Beats by Dre qualities right here, bro. Go ahead. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, you can call my name all day. I ain't answering. That's it. That is it. Oh, I gotta hook them up because we gotta hear some sound out of these, bro. We have to. Where's where's the surface? There's the surface. Might as well use the surface, right? Might as well. Oh damn, tear shit up. Since they are the reason why I have this right now, we might as well use the surface. Go ahead and connect up right fast. Add Bluetooth device. Bluetooth. Boom. Just want to turn on Bluetooth. Cool. I'm gonna just assume that this is already in here. Couldn't connect. Well, yeah, let me add one. Bluetooth on. Add Bluetooth device. Bam. Bam. So we're about to see how easy it is to actually connect. You know, all I did was really just kind of turn it on. And I'm pretty sure. All right, cool. I know it's not that first one. Oh, Surface headphones. See, I like when they do stuff like that. Like, it literally takes Surface headphones. It ain't got no stupid numbers. It ain't got... It made, like, tell me the name of the product on the Bluetooth. Thank you. Now we finna go ahead and turn... Oh, she already picking up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Shut up, shut up. No, Cortana, go away. Let's see how loud these are. How loud that is. Yeah, these is. Man, come on, man. We trying to get real checks out here, bro. We can't be talking crazy. It's levels. It's levels, guys. It's levels. Cool. What is the very first song I want to hear on my Surface headphones? Let's go ahead. That I'm listening to on the Surface. Go ahead, playlist. What I've been listening to lately. Who got something that just knock? I want some noise. As you can see, I have incredible amount of playlists. Dreamville. Man, you know, I'm gonna be honest with Dreamville, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. It's so many different sounds in that. It's really hard to ride that. I'm talking, bruh. It is a no. Don't you dare talk about some low battery. You gotta play. All right. How you turn these up? Oh yeah, you can answer on the phone call too. Okay, cool. All right. I mean, I don't know if y'all can hear, but the song ain't even really started. Like, this is the intro and it's loud. All right, so like, just close by my head, like I can hear it clear as day. Not even on yet. Yeah, I got them on. Oh, it just stopped. What happened? Put it on. Yeah, you can't hear shit. Can't hear a damn thing. It's over with. The bass is so heavy. The man, y'all finna get high. That's still weed or just Oh, yes sir, yes sir. That not. Realize. Yeah, yeah, you can't hear shit. You can't hear shit. That's over with. Can't hear shit. Hey, I think every time you take them off, like they automatically pause or something. Like it's the second time I done did something with them and it just stopped. It's playing. It's playing.
I can't hear you.
I didn't think it wasn't playing. He's like, I can't hear you. So I guess that shit playing. That's crazy. Like as soon as he put it on, it just started. As soon as you put it on, I think, oh, hey, take him off right fast. He can't hear shit I'm saying. I don't even know why.
Yeah, I can't hear you.
Yeah, they automatically stop. Hey, put them on your head. Look. Oh, that's lit. I thought I was tripping. Look. They automatically cut off, y'all. That's crazy. That's hard. That's hard. That's a hard feature. So when somebody calling you like, man, what, bro? It'll stop. Oh, that's hard. All right, Surface. Y'all got it, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Let's hold on. Let me listen to one more song. Oh. Yeah. He's a trapper. On the rapper. On the rapper. On the rapper. He's just okay, these hard. These hard. Alright, Microsoft, I ain't even gonna lie. for these being my first like real big boy speakers, like real big boy headphones, like it's something I'm really gonna take care of too, cause like I already I ain't never had no quality headphones like this. I see why it came in that heavy ass case now. I need this very well protected. Thank you, Microsoft. Like yeah, these hard, bro. I ain't even trying to flex these hard. Thank you, Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft. And I look forward to, more Surface type products, It is hard. We 2 for 2 now. We 2 for 2. RainyPhotos.com. You see, you see how confidently I threw that in there? Like it sounded pretty hard, but I'm telling you, like it's a very sturdy. Like we're good. We're good money here. We're good money. But RainyPhotos.com for all your photography needs. Photographers, again, RainyPhotos.com for all your photography needs. Like I have tutorials, DVDs, all type of packages, workshops, anything that kind of help you. And for potential clients, RainyPhotos.com. Go ahead and book me. Book me. Come shoot with me. Come experience all of this cool tech as well as just some dope photos at the end of the day. Shout out to Zay Bud. That's my videographer. We might go ahead and do an iPhone review. I got a new iPhone too. This ain't even my lane, but it kind of is my lane. So, I'll tell you what. Let's go ahead and make it 2 for 2 today. We're going to end this Surface review. We're going to do this XR review. All right. Had to bring it back right fast. Quick part 2. Because I actually just learned some more features about it while I actually, trying to connect it to the iPhone. It took a second, but, we got them on. Dang, one of the sides of volume. So it's actually this right here because I kept looking at the instructions because they had said something about, can you turn it up with the headphones? I was like, yeah, it should, right? It only makes sense. And they kept saying it's a dial on here, and I kept trying. I was spinning everything, wasn't that moving. I took them off, and there was the actual, 2 stickers on top. So when you take them off, these are actual dials that you can spin around. This one turns it up and down. And this one got, on the left side, it's active noise cancellation dial. And it's like a weird little, it kind of, I don't know if it brings the headphones in or the suction or something, but I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it. It's weird. It's like being on the airplane for a second. I don't even know. It works. I just don't really know how to describe it other than it's like a headphone. I don't know, maybe because I'm under the influence of, substances. But it's definitely, it's weird. Taking off the headphones felt like when your ear pops in a plane or something. I don't know. But, it's still cool. It's dope. It's dope. Still, definitely. These some hard headphones. I don't really care what else was wrong with it, if there was any. I don't even care at this point. That's just real. It was free and they dope. I don't care. But yeah, it got dope little features too, for real. As soon as you put the headphones on, it's a power on, and then she tells you how much battery life is on there. And I don't know the full life of it yet, but when she came on, she said 11 hours. That is a long ass time. I don't care how long that charge is. 11 hours. I don't know if I don't know if that's the max, but at any amount, that is a long ass time to have some headphones on go. Yeah, it's definitely, of course, it connects to phone, Bluetooth calling, all that other stuff. It's crazy. But that's hard. You had me at 11 hours in the loud ass music, like I said, color dope, and you can still talk to Cortana and all that other stuff. Yeah, shout out to Microsoft.